Hey, do us all a favor and stop taking bad advice. Traditional IT folks always lecture you with some monotone voice about verifying the email. Cool, but you just stepped into the epicenter of a data breach. Why does everybody tell you to verify the email when that's the part that's actually real? Check the sender, check the domain, look for typos. Great advice for 2008. Here's a novel approach. Verify the human, the actual human, through a channel you know they are at. Because the email you're verifying, it's legitimate. Why? Because they hacked the account of the actual person. The voice on the phone sounds exactly right. Why? Because it's AI cloning of someone you really know. So what are you verifying? The thing that's actually real? Congrats, you just played right into their hands. Today's attacks don't fake emails. They hijack identities, account takeovers, deep fake voices, AI written messages that sound exactly like your boss, your vendor, and your CFO. If it looks real, it isn't a safety check anymore. It's part of the whole crime. So here's the new rule. If you didn't independently confirm the human using a channel you know is legitimate, you didn't verify anything. You just placed your trust in a criminal enterprise. And that's exactly what they're counting on. Nobody ever reports on the damage caused to the people who cause data breaches. Let me tell you, it's not pretty. You don't want to be that person. This is Cybercrime Junkies. Follow us for more reality checks your monotone IT folks won't give you.